One of the most important skills in algebra is to be able to translate words into expressions, equations, inequalities. You'll get to the point where you have very few equations that you start with. Instead, you'll be given word problems, and you've got to figure out what the equation would be, and then you solve that. So therefore, we need to do a fair amount of practice with this. So let's start with this. I'm going to make sure you can see that visual. Less than, greater than. I'll slide it down here. I've set this up so you should be able to see everything. We're going to do numbers 1 through 6 together. Each one of these is numbered 1, 1, 2, 2. So these numbers correspond with these words over here. And these are the equations and inequalities and expressions that can be used to match all of these. So you have sort of like an answer bank. So let's go ahead and start. Number 1, 3 times y less than 25. Remember, anytime you have a less than or a more than, here's another one, that changes the order. Less than 25, that means you start with 25. So it's going to be something like, on number 1, oh, that's a 15, sorry, 15, 3 times y less than 15. Now I'll come over to my answer bank and find 15 minus 3y. 15 minus 3y, no. There's no equal sign, it's an expression. So, 15 minus 3y. Cross that out. Number 1 is 15 minus 3y. It's nice to have the answer bank just for the security and knowing that I did it right. If you had forgotten about how the less than changes the order and you'd switched them, you wouldn't have found the right one on the answer bank. Number 2, 3 times y is less than 15. Anytime you see the word is, it's either going to be equals or is less than, is greater than. So I know that this one is going to be an equation or an inequality because it's got the word is. So is less than, is less than. So that's going to be this symbol right here, is less than. 3 times y is less than 15. Now to check the answer bank. Wow, that was easy. Right there. 3 times y is less than 15. Good. Number 3, 3 times y less than 25. There's no is. 3 times y less than, so that's subtraction. 3 times y less than 15, so that would be 15 minus 3y again, is, there's my equal sign, 6. All right, so make sure I got it right. I'm going to see if I can find it down here. 15 minus 3y equals 6. Oh, I remember seeing that one before. Here it is. 15 minus 3y, no, is less than 6. That's not it. There it is, equals 6. Almost got tricked on that one. 15 minus 3y equals 6. 15 minus 3y equals 6. Got it. Now, number 4. 3 times y minus 15. Oh, that's pretty simple. 3 times y minus 15. Boom. All right, so, oh, I found that one. 3 times y minus 15. 3 times y minus 15. There we go. Number 5, 3 times y decreased by 6 is 15. I keep thinking that's 25. Decreased by, that's minus again. So 3 times y decreased by 6 is 15. 3 times y decreased by 6 is 15. Here we go. 3 times y decreased by 6 is 15. Last one together, number 6. 3 times y subtracted from 15. So we're taking it from that. So that means we're starting with 15. Is less than 6. Okay, so I'm going to worry about is less than later. So let's do this side. 3 times y subtracted from 15. So I'm going to start with 15, and from that I will subtract 3 times y. All right, now, is less than, that's this symbol, 6. 15 minus 3y is less than 6. 15 minus 3y. 15 minus 3y is less than 6. 15 minus 3y is less than 6. There we go. If you forget what the symbols look like, which direction they're facing, think of the less than symbol as an L and the greater than as part of the G. That might help you a little bit. Go ahead and finish the rest. There are 30 in all, but you have an answer bank, so that'll make it a whole lot easier.